All right, so this vehicle is a 2003, I believe. Yes, 2003 Honda CR-V. Problem with this vehicle is vehicle won't start, just cranks, and the green immobilizer light flashes. So we're gonna have to figure out what's going on with this. What we're gonna do first is just scan the vehicle for codes and see what we got going on. All right, so what we're gonna do here is just do an all system scan and see if we got any codes. This takes a little bit of while, or sorry, this takes a while to run on Hondas, so I'm just gonna stop the video here, and once it's done and we have a DTC list, I will start it back up. So we just finished our code scan here. It doesn't look like we have anything in the immobilizer, which is kind of weird. It's kind of glary, so I'm just gonna take screenshots of this and put it in the video so you guys can see it better. But I was kind of expecting to see at least something in the immobilizer, but looks like we're gonna have to go into immobilizer data and see if we can see, or engine data, and see if we can see anything wrong. I'm gonna go check the codes here just in case. I don't think I mean ABS and airbag, I won't have anything to do with this, but I'll go check it anyways, and I'll put them in the video so it's a little more clear and so there's no glare. It's kind of bright out today. All right, here we have the codes in the ABS module. Looks like we just have a couple of battery voltage codes. Nothing that would really affect the immobilizer. Let's just go have a look now at the airbag code that we have stored in here, and looks like we have something just for a seat belt buckle. So neither of these codes are going to have any impact on the immobilizer. So let's move on now to immobilizer data and see what we got going on there. All right, now we're looking at data for the immobilizer. They really don't give you too much for immobilizer on this thing. It kind of just gives you an immobilizer PID, and that's about it. Now what I have on the screen here is the immobilizer PID and the engine speed as well, just to show that I am cranking the vehicle. So in this screenshot here, I'm cranking the vehicle. As you can see, it's cranking about 200 RPM, and the immobilizer PID says ban. So I'm assuming what that means is that it's not recognizing the key, and that the immobilizer is not allowing the vehicle to start. So from here we're going to have to do some key testing, and I have a short video that describes how we do that. Okay, so as you saw on the scan tool there, under immobilizer it says ban, so it is not recognizing this key. I'm going to see if the owner of the vehicle has another key available, see if the vehicle starts on that. But in the meantime, I do have a key tester that I'm going to take this key and just throw through the tester and see if the transponder is responding at all. All right, so I went and asked the shop owner here if the customer had a second key, and they do have one. Looks like it's the valet key. I haven't tried it in the vehicle yet, but I just wanted to show you guys this key tester we have. It is by the Diagnostic box. It's a TDB003. It works pretty well. I'm just gonna go turn it on here, and it's got a bunch of different tests here. You can test the radio frequency from the unlock buttons there. You can test coil antennas and stuff on the actual vehicle itself. But what we want here is the transponder test, and I'm just gonna see if I can do this one-handed here. Just gonna take this key. You can see it read the transponder in this key. And let's just throw this one in and see what happens. You got nothing going on there. So it looks like this key, looks like this key is totally dead. Just gonna try it again with this one just to make sure. Yeah, immediately read it as soon as it went through. But it's not reading this one, so looks like this key is toast. I'm just gonna go take this other key and try it in the vehicle, and I'm assuming it's gonna start with this one. I'd be really surprised if it didn't. But if you don't have a second key, this tool works really well. But if you do have a second key, easiest way is just throw it in the vehicle and try starting it. If it starts, then you know this key is bad. Because if it starts on this one, you know the rest of the immobilizer system is working fine. If it starts on this key, not that key, that key's bad. So I'll go give it a shot and see what we got. So we're gonna take our key and try it. Green light comes on and it goes out. Oh, that's a good sign. And sure enough, fires up. That's kind of what I was suspecting. I do have the data on the screen here, and it shows the immobilizer is now run, and you can see the engine's actually running. I'll include a better picture of that in the video as well. But for this vehicle, looks like that key, that the original key they had here, is no good. So they're gonna have to either get another key or just run with this one. But yeah, in the end, it's just a bad key. Before we end this video, I'm just going to show you the tool that we were using to diagnose the key in this vehicle. This is by the diagnostic box. It's the TDB003 key tester. This tester will test transponder keys, the antenna coil for transponder keys. It will also test the smart key systems on vehicles, as well as the RF signals for the lock and unlock functions of a key fob. We're going to upload a video describing how all this works shortly, so keep an eye on our channel for that.
If you like this video, please let us know by following us or liking us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. And if you want access to more in-depth training videos, please visit our website at www.autoaid.ca. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.